My name is Chris Collier. I'm the owner of S&S Processing, Athletic Field Pros. Today we're at a Pony League field, typical Western Pennsylvania Pony League field. You can see the condition of it. It kind of is what it is. It got rained on a couple of days ago, and ultimately we know there's clay underneath it, and we got to rebuild it to get it ready for today's game. We have about a half an hour before the team's going to show up. It's not going to be a perfect mound, but it's going to certainly get us a long way towards better than what we're dealing with now. So Chris Leslie's going to step in.
What he'll do is remove all any of the infill mix that's over top of the existing clay, sweep it out, find the existing clay on that, score it a little bit, give it a little bit of moisture into that, and then we'll begin packing our clay.
All right, let's go at it. Well, there's our clay. That's what we've been looking for. What are you doing there, Chris?
What I'm doing is just trying to get some scoring, a little bit of roughness to the existing clay there so it'll accept some of the water, and then it'll help the new clay bond to what's already in. Dry material just won't bond to dry material, and you don't need much. That's probably a little more than we need, but it is very dry.
Are we going to throw that all in there at once, or what are we doing that way, Chris?
What we're going to do is add no more than about an inch, inch and a half at a time before we pack it. So if we add too much, we won't be able to get it all packed real solid. So I'm just going to add about an inch layer here first, and then we'll pack it. Now the clay hopefully will have enough moisture in it to start off with that it's going to pack, and this does. But what will end up happening, it'll stick to your tip. We just use a plastic bag.
That's what this is for.
Exactly right. Just go through and set that first before he gives it a really hard tip.
How's that?
That sets it all now. Give it a good hard tamp. Really set it. A couple really good pats. There you go.
Bucking it up, bringing up the water.
Yeah, that's okay.
That's why we got the plastic.
That's okay.
Well, we lost our first liner, so we're going to replace it with a new one. You can just see how simple it is. All we're doing is creating that layer of attachment between the clay and the tamp. Here, you want to throw that away from us?
The water is the glue that holds it all together. So that's really a key element. And if you happen to have a bag of clay that you think is too dry, it's easy to rehydrate that. Just get a wet bath towel, soak it, wring it once lightly, put the towel in the bag, close the bag up overnight. By the next morning, that clay is going to be nice and workable. There we go, we're ready to tamp again. Come in here and look at this. As we see the clay, there's little voids all through here. As you pack, you still have little voids, and what happens when you get the dry infill mix, infiltrates into here, it starts drawing the moisture out, and it'll start drying the clay out and cracking it apart. One of the things I like to do at the end is just add a little water when I'm done with it, glaze it over a little bit, and I try to help fill those little voids in a little.
We've got about another 5 minutes of mending, and we're going to be playing ball. So again, my name is Chris Collier. This is Chris Lessig. We're from the Athletic Field Pros at S&S Processing, and we thank you for tuning in, and good luck to you and your team and your association.